Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is January 7th, 2016. I have two charts that I'm going to show you. Both charts are the E-mini S&P. The chart on the left is using the Atlas line 5-minute chart. The chart on the right is a 1-minute chart for the trade scalper. Whichever signal happens first, I'm going to take. I'm going to show you. I'm just waiting for the software. Okay, if you heard the doorbell, that means we have a signal. The software provides you the text and an alert sound. It's 1957.50 to go short, which means I'm going short at 1957.50 or as close as I can get to it. Let me just adjust here my account and the contracts. As a rule of thumb, the more volatile the market is, the less contracts you should trade. All right.
Order pending.
Okay, and the slower the market is, maybe you can increase your contracts to make up for the volatility. Let me show you the text hit and marker. And let's see what happens here. Remember, I want to go short. The other good thing about this trade here on the Atlas line is that I'm entering very near or close to where this move is now beginning. And if the market turns around and goes against me, I have a prove it stop. If the market instead takes forever for something to happen, I'm out of the trade. So let's see here if I get filled.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm filled here. And now it's a little bit of a waiting game. I know what my exit strategy is. I know what my target is. If you remember from the previous videos that I look at the ATR, the average true range, it's a big 4.5 points. I think that 4 points, 4.25 is more than enough that you can take on a move like this, on a trade like this. And if the market was a little bit stronger at 5 points, 5.25, I definitely recommend not trading. It's just too hectic, too volatile. But this is right on the cusp here. I heard another signal. I'm assuming it is the trade scalper shooting off some signals, but I'm already short. So I'll switch charts in just a moment to show you what's happening. I just want to focus on the Atlas line trade. Now, you should not trade at the same time in the same account both a scalping and the Atlas line. Do one or the other, or combine the two methods where you use the Atlas line as a filtering tool that tells you only take short scalp trades. So at the moment, the price is trading below the Atlas line. I only want to focus on short trades. The target I have here is 1953, and that is a big 4 points. 4 points is fantastic, and I'm looking forward to taking the 4-point target. Now, if you wanted to go for 4.25, you're being a little greedy. Okay, I understand, but please, 4 points, 3.75, even 3.5. As long as you're not trying for a large target beyond what the ATR is telling you is achievable. So I don't have any expectations here on making 10 points, but 4 points, yes. That is my expectation. All right, so it tagged my price. This is a little bit now tricky. Hopefully I get filled.
Target filled.
I got it, and I'm out. Atlas line gave me a beautiful short trade right at the beginning of this downward move. And it's also important to realize that the closer you enter to the Atlas line, you're always entering as the move is beginning, and that's very important. Now, I'm going to switch gears here a little bit. Let's just take a look at what's happening with the trade scalper method, and I am going to adjust here the text and markers so we could see exactly the entries as well on this 1-minute chart. Those entries were the Atlas line entries that I just took on the E-mini S&P, same market. There's an entry at 1953.25. Let me just make sure I'm putting the right account. Number of contracts, 3-tick target, 6-tick stop, and 10 contracts. Okay, 1953.
Order pending.
Quarter is my entry.
Order filled.
And the price is right at that entry, and I am filled. I'm just risking 6 ticks, so I just made 4 points. If this trade is a losing trade, I'm not down for the day. So let's see here. It's approaching my stop. And I never risk more than 6 ticks, typically on this trade scalper method. If the average true range is a lot more, very high, very volatile, then you have to increase your target and increase your stop. So you're adapting to the situations. And give it just a moment here. I like to see, especially with these scalp trades, an instant move. The longer the market takes to make your target, really the worse off you are, because you entered for a reason. You want to see an immediate result. So just remember, don't hold on to trades for hours on end. You entered for a reason, whatever the reason happens to be. You want to see it go immediately in your favor. The other thing I like about scalping with the Atlas line is that I focus on only taking short trades when the Atlas line is telling me focus on short trades, therefore scalping just to the short side. It's a filter. I think it helps in the direction. Alright, so it's trying to make the 3 ticks. If I can't make the 3 ticks, I'm going to exit this shortly, but never risk more than 6 ticks under normal circumstances. If the market's slower, just risk 4 ticks instead of 6 when the ATR is slower than usual. During the training I explain exactly how this is all done, and with the software you can trade multiple markets at the same time, and so that's actually a good thing. You can diversify your risk. You don't have to trade just the E-mini. You can trade the euro, the E-mini, the oil if you like crude oil. So you're diversifying yourself. Whatever trade happens first, you take. You don't pick and choose. And typically after 3-4 trades...
Target filled.
Alright, there it is. So there was my 3 ticks on the scalping, the trade scalper method, and on the 5-minute Atlas line trade, it was 4 points. Let me actually show you what the total profit was. The total profit happens to be, just add that there, about $1,900. Not too bad. Now I show a lot of videos on the Atlas line, and what I want to do is just give you a little bit of an example of what happened earlier before the Atlas line trade and before the scalp trade that I took. There was a long 1957.50. There was a long and a short here at about 9.35 or so. There was another long here at 1948.50 at about 9.10. There was another long 1942.75, 1941. So it does provide a significant amount of trades. I don't want you to overtrade, but you have to trade correctly. If you're interested in the Atlas line software, the Trade Scalper software, or the Power Price Action, visit DayTradeToWin.com to get more information. If you'd like all these methods, plus much, much more, I have a mentorship program that includes all of these methods with lifetime licenses for a very reasonable price. Email or call. My name is John Paul. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye now.